At ACT Bioremediation Products Inc., our goal is to change the way the world cleans, saving you time and money. That is why ACT has developed a revolutionary patented line of waterless, cost-efficient, and environmentally safe cleaning products. ACT Terra Firma Cleaner is a special proprietary formulation which capitalizes on a well-established remediation process which uses living organisms that encapsulates and breaks down the oil and hydrocarbons, PHCs. ACT Terra Firma is non-toxic, cost-effective, and non-harmful to humans or the environment. It kills vapors and eliminates odors, is easy to apply, and is a bioremediation powder. 1 pound covers approximately 50 square feet. ACT Terra Firma requires no oxygen, nutrients, water, and no tilling is necessary for the first 12 inches. Custom blends can be created based on specific site conditions. Since this remediation process uses living organisms, it is referred to as bioremediation. As the living organisms eat the PHCs, they are converted into smaller compounds that are themselves degraded further, volatilized into the atmosphere, or rendered into non-organic materials. As the field of microbiology began to flourish, scientists began to realize that the normal biological processes of common, ordinary microbes could be harnessed in ways heretofore never dreamed. As industry entered the 20th century, normal bacteria were being used to manufacture drugs, insulin, antibiotics, and a host of products that benefited man. In the 1960s, the social conscious was redirected from unbridled industrialism to ecologically sensible industrial growth. This new conscience demanded that industry find new ways to prevent environmental pollution and remediate areas where pollution occurred. Bacteria abound in normal healthy soils. Every gram of normal everyday soil may contain between 10 million and 1 billion colony-forming units of heterotrophic bacteria per gram of soil. A single gram of dirt may contain over 10,000 different species of bacteria. At least 30 different bacterial genera containing over 100 species of microbes are capable of degrading PHCs. Bacteria is created by nature herself and is naturally occurring. At ACT, we have specially formulated our products to work with these naturally occurring organisms in their natural state to facilitate the reduction of PHCs in the soil. Generally speaking, PHCs with carbon lengths of C9 to C22 are most readily degraded, as well as single and polycyclic aromatics. For optimum growth in PHCs to take place, microorganisms require specific conditions of nutrients and electron acceptors to be present. The optimum conditions don't exist in national oil deposits or in refineries or systems that use PHCs as fuel. It is for these reasons that although the microbes are always present, petroleum products are not in danger of being degraded. The organism used in the ACT formulations have been specifically prepared by a nationally recognized microbiologist with over 20 years experience in microbial applications of PHC remediation and have been independently reviewed for occupational health compliance and human exposure issues. ACT's Terra Firma Cleaner has been designed for use under the widest possible applications, from spill cleanup and spill containment in soils, concrete, or asphalt, to preventive maintenance on high spill potential areas. Bioremediation generally requires a kickstart for simulating the organisms and some attention to maintain optimal activity. ACT Triangle Design has this kickstart delivery system built in, electron acceptor, and food nutrient. The customer is relieved of all the traditional methods of increased degradation time. ACT Terra Firma Cleaner ensures sufficient oxygen or nitrates is available for oxidation to take place. The customer is recommended to till if contamination is deeper than 12 inches in the soil. ACT Terra Firma can be injected into a series of wells that have been drilled into the land to be remediated. ACT bioremediation products are the only microbial product that does not need water added. Our patent design is the only one that draws the moisture that it needs from the atmosphere and the contamination itself. ACT product can do this in the most extreme conditions and promotes a thermatic reaction which can keep colonization happening in temperatures as low as 69 degrees Celsius. How do we know the optimal balance between nutrients and electron acceptors? For years it has been hard to assess the efficacy of any particular microbial formula in any particular patch of ground for any particular hydrocarbon spill. This difficulty arises from the fact that small changes in the composition of soils can result in profound changes in the response of any particular organism. Further, if the PHC contamination layer is migrating through the vadose zone, the microbes may be encountering different environmental conditions every few feet. The ACT Terra Firma formulation does not rely on using any one single organism, but rather we use a blend of different organisms, each with its own biological needs and adaptive potentials, which can take advantage of widely changing conditions. The selected organisms are designed to take advantage of as many possible environmental conditions as are reasonably possible. Terra Firma can be applied in a variety of ways, depending on the nature of the material to be cleaned. The product can be applied directly to soils, concrete pads, or other surfaces. If the contamination has leached to greater depths, Terra Firma can be applied to soils and tilled to increase aeration and contaminant contact. If contaminants have leached into even deeper soils and vadose zone water, the product can be slurried with or without additional electron acceptors and injected directly into the vadose zone via a sampling well. If the material is aerated during slurry production, the oxygen and nutrients will be deleted as the organisms consume the PHCs. Re-aeration and replenishment of nutrients can be performed at additional wells. Since the microenvironment can change with every remediation project and the cost for determining the ideal conditions for each site can be prohibitively expensive, the aeration needs, nutrient needs, and assessments of efficacy can be performed by sampling the vadose water and through standard kriging techniques, adjusting the underground environment accordingly. Bioremediation through bioaugmentation is a process with 4 decades of a proven track record for cleaning up contaminated soils and surfaces in a safe, environmentally friendly manner. Please contact us for information regarding specialty formulae customized to meet your needs. ACT Bioremediation Products.